Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm making chocolate lava cake. Chocolate lava cake is basically a chocolate cake that's been baked in the oven and it has a soft oozing centre. If you're a chocoholic like me, then you'll definitely love this recipe. So we're going to get straight into this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grease up our moulds. Now I've got these little Dario moulds here that we're going to bake them in. Now if you can't get these, you can actually use these little aluminium ones which you can get at the supermarket. They work just as well. So we're just going to grease these up with some butter. So we'll just give them a good brush. Some butter. Okay, so once they're all greased up with the butter, we're now going to just go mix with cocoa powder. So just coat them in cocoa powder. Put these to the side and we'll get on to the next stage. Okay, so the next stage is we're going to melt together our chocolate and our butter. And I'm using 70% dark chocolate here, so I've just broken it up a little bit. So straight into our bowl with that. Then we're going to go in with 80 grams of butter. I'm using unsalted butter for this. Then we're just going to put this onto our bain-marie pan of water. And just going to let that melt together. Okay, so while we're waiting for our chocolate and our butter to melt, we're going to mix together our eggs and our sugar. So I've got 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks in here. So we'll go straight into the bowl with that. And I've also got 50 grams of dark brown sugar, so in with that. And we're just going to whisk this up now. Okay, so we want to whisk up our eggs and our sugar till it goes nice and stiff. Okay, so once our eggs and sugar have been whisked up and they're nice and stiff, we can now fold in our melted chocolate. Okay, so we can now add our chocolate to our eggs. So we're going to fold this in. I just want to fold it in, I don't want to knock too much of the air out. Okay, so once the chocolate and butter is well mixed in with the eggs and the sugar, we can now go in with our flour. So I've got 10 grams of flour here, plain flour, and a pinch of salt in here as well. And I'm just going to pass this through a little sieve. Okay, we're just going to fold this in as well. Okay, so once that's well mixed in, we can now transfer this mix to our moulds. Okay, so we're just going to fill our moulds now. So we're only going to fill these about 3/4 of the way up because they are going to rise in the oven. So you need to leave a little bit of space at the top. So I would say about 3/4 of the way up. Okay, so this recipe today is giving us 4 portions. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to chill these in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. before we bake them. Okay. Okay, so our lava cakes have just come out of the fridge. They've been in there for about 20 minutes. I've preheated an oven to 190 degrees and we're now going to bake these for 9 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's our lava cakes just out of the oven. They've been in the oven for 9 minutes. So we're now ready to plate up. I'm just going to serve this with some clotted cream. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a go. Also, if you are enjoying my videos, please just give me the thumbs up and please just hit that subscribe button. And it just means that you'll not miss out any of my future videos. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon.